Hi guys, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. I make time-lapse videos of how I did my paintings. Last month I went for a holiday with my best friend to an island named Gem Island or Pulau Gemia in Malay in Terengganu, Malaysia. The water is so blue and the view is just so breathtaking. So I decided to make a painting of the view on this island. As usual, I started with a quick sketch with very thin down paint. Next, I put in the first layer of color. You see that the image kept jumping in and out of focus. I apologize for that, as the camera kept having to readjust its focus because this painting is mainly just cloud and ocean, making the camera confused, trying to find something to focus on. The only thing that is best for the camera to keep its focus on is the little boat, but I did not paint it sharply until the later part. I also didn't want to lock the focus because sometimes I could have slowly pushed canvas back while painting and didn't realize it, then the video would be out of focus as well. I made a really stupid mistake with this painting. I always have at least 2 coats of gesso on my canvas. For this canvas, I accidentally painted on the wrong side, which was the side that has no gesso. The whites of the canvas was showing through even after 2 layers of color. I kept wondering why was it so hard to get the paint down to the tooth on the canvas. Turns out I painted on the wrong side. How stupid was I? Oh well, lesson learned. Because of that mistake, I painted a 3rd layer of color, hoping to minimize the whites of the canvas from showing. I think I might have painted the cloud a little too fuzzy. The edges are better to be soft rather than fuzzy, so it's kind of a weird looking cloud. I really enjoyed painting this little boat. I like that just by adding some white, well not exactly white, it's more of a grey color, on the back of the boat is enough to indicate the engine and propeller. The last bits were the indications of waves. I'm still trying to find the best way to paint distant mild waves like these. Do you think this looks convincing enough? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, I hope you enjoyed this ocean painting. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!